everyone, this is Tom Salemi from Device Talks. Welcome to your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement. Join us on Thursday, June 3rd at 2 p.m. Eastern. Medical Design and Outsourcing will be hosting a webinar called Advanced Sensors for the MedTech and Automation Industry. Richard Walker, Technical Director at FuTech Advanced Sensor Technology, will be joining us, and he's going to give you a sneak peek of some of the more exciting innovations in sensor technology today. You'll get a crash course in the mechanics behind sensor measurement, and you'll learn about how these sensors are used in sophisticated medical technologies, including robotic surgery. You're definitely going to want to register. You're definitely going to want to be there. You can watch it live. You can watch it on demand. Either way, just go into the comment section below. The link is there, and you can register to attend this event, to watch this event. It'll be held live again June 3rd at 2 p.m. Eastern. So if you're looking for a better understanding of what's possible to achieve with advanced sensor solutions, if you need to see a valuable overview of sensor applications, if you need a better understanding of sensor use and latent torque measurement, and if you just want to know how to learn to optimize your own system's performance, you can register for free at the link below. The webinar will be held at 2 p.m. Eastern on June 3rd. Finally, of course, if you're looking for the latest news and analysis on the medical design and outsourcing industries, go to medicaldesignandoutsourcing.com, and please follow and subscribe to Medical Design and Outsourcing on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. We'll keep you up to date on the latest news and analysis of the medical device industry. That's it. This is Tom Salemi, and this has been your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement.